Hello, beautiful friends. Welcome to Cassia Naturals. If you're new on my channel, you're so welcome. And thank you so much for clicking on this video. So on this channel, we do share DIY, how you can make your own products using all natural products, like for your hair and for your skin. It is possible to have flawless skin without using any toxic ingredients. And we also share crafts like lifestyle. And we also share healthy lifestyle and how you can grow your natural hair if it's breaking, if you're having challenges. All this info is on this channel. And yes, so you can learn how to make your own product. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make a fortifying shampoo for massive hair growth. This video actually was recommended by more than 6 subscribers of mine. I really appreciate you guys. A shout out to you. Yes, so thank you so much. So if you want to make this shampoo, make sure that you watch this video until to the end. So I'm super excited to see how it will work for our hair, because we use different kinds of
So we are
extract like
starting with
water, which we never used before,
1.5
to
gram
make
of
this
Guava Gum and
fortifying massive hair
hibiscus
growth
glyceride 5
shampoo.
grams. So like Guava Gum is a natural thickener. It will increase viscosity and also like solid particles. It has the ability to be suspended, in the product. It's solidified in solid particles. So in the care of shampoo specifically, the use of guar gum can reduce the need to use a conditioner. So glycerin is a humectant, meaning that it will draw moisture from the environment to your hair. So glycerin actually will also help to hydrate the guar gum, because it needs to be like a thick consistency without any lumps in it for it to work well, because you wouldn't want to have lumps in your conditioner, so in your shampoo. So as you can see, like, it's well hydrated and it's ready to be used in our formulation. Yes, so make sure that you blend it, even mix it so well, so that it is well hydrated. Yes, so that is how it looks like after hydrating it with a glyceride, hibiscus glyceride. I did a video on hibiscus glyceride. I'm sure you can check that video out. I'll link it in the description box below. So now at this point, we are getting our water phase. We are using guava water. So guava water prevents premature graying of hair. It has the antioxidants properties. It will reduce oxidation issues, which is the main cause of hair fall. So the antimicrobial properties of guava leaves hair helps treat common scalp infections that lead to hair loss, such as itching and dandruff. Yes, so it also has inflammatory properties, which have been shown to reduce scalp inflammation, which can be treated easily by guava leaf or water. We are adding in guava water was 60 grams, and we are adding in our water, which is 36.5 grams. So our water will act as a adjuvant to mix our products. So this will be phase A, the water phase. We are also adding in a Vedic extract, that is 20 gram, glucoside 40 gram, cocoa betaine 30 grams, and laura glucoside 10 gram. So we are using gentle, surfactants like laura glucoside. It has high foaming capacity to product, so it creates an excellent and stable foam. So laura glucoside is also useful in hair care products, where it aids hair cleansing ability without stripping the hair. Glucoside is a unique cleanser because it has the ability to rather into a rich foam. It gently cleanses. It has the ability to cleanse the scalp and hair of excess oil without stripping it. And you have to make sure that you stir it well. You stir your water phase well, gently. You don't have to be aggressive, because you don't want your product to start foaming at this point. Yes, so this shampoo actually is so gentle, it won't strip your hair, it will leave your hair clean, well moisturized, and well manageable. Yes, so now like at this point we are done. That is phase M. So phase A is ready, that is our water phase. So we are doing phase B. For our water phase, we had also added ginger. You know, ginger of course is, it doesn't show to prevent hair loss, but it helps because it has anti-inflammatory effects. It will help the scalp. So for our oil phase, we have used 15 gram of dihyquat, which is an emulsifier, a conditioning, that's conditioning agents, and we are using coconut oil, which is so penetrative to the hair. It will prevent hair growth fatigue when hair is exposed to water. It will strengthen our hair. So these are the two phases. We have phase A and phase B. So we are going to heat them on low setting. Make sure that you use low setting. Yes. So now you have to make sure that you stir so that your product is well combined. And you have to make sure that you stir the other phase. This is very important. So we are stirring, stir it gently. And as you can see, like our water has started kind of boiling a bit. It's on low setting. You don't have to make it on higher setting. So at this point, our two phases are ready now. So we are pouring phase B, that is our oil phase, into the water phase. And then you have to make sure that you blend gently. Blend, 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 blend. This is a very important step. You don't have to skip this step. So once you start blending, you discover that the viscosity of your shampoo will be well combined, like it will have a creamy, creamy kind of product. So that is how it looks like. It looks so lovely. I love it. Yes. So now we are adding in our hydrolyzed keratin protein. So hydrolyzed keratin protein will strengthen your hair, will repair your hair. It will make your hair shaft soft, prevent breakage, soften your hair. It will reduce frizz, you know. And as you may be aware, like our hair is made out of protein. So hydrolyzed keratin will make the hair shine and more lustrous. And it will prevent damage. It will strengthen your hair. It will repair your hair. You know, it will repair damaged hair. So I really love keratin protein, and I also love hydrolyzed wheat protein. So proteins play an important role in shampoos. So this will fortify our hair. And then we are adding in you know, deep parthenon, only 3 grams. So deep parthenon will act as a moisturizer, like it draws moisture from the environment to your hair, making it more soft. Yes, and hydrating. So we are going in with a Yuxi 712 natural preservative. That is you know, 3 gram. This is a very important step because you don't want any microbial to start crawling in your product. Like at the end of the day, your product will be useless. So you have to make sure that you preserve your product so that it can last for a long time. And make sure that you blend at every stage you add any product. we are adding in 2 grams of our essential oil. So we are using tea tree essential oil, we are using rosemary essential oil, and we're also using lavender essential oil. So these essential oils, like they have inflammatory properties, promote nerve growth, improve circulation. It will strengthen like circulation. As a result, they prevent follicles from being starved of blood supply or drying off, and beyond stimulating. So these are good products to add in your formulations in your shampoo. Like, they also promote hair growth, and they'll make your scalp feeling calm and refreshing. So 3 grams, in fact 2 grams of our essential oils. So like, they are very potent. You don't need to add in more than 5 or 10 grams. So we are now mixing it, and our product is ready. We've gotten our bottle in readiness. Like, I'm super excited because we are going to try out this fortifying shampoo today, because it's our wash day routine. I'm super excited, dear friends. So like, this shampoo is all natural. It doesn't have parabens, it doesn't have artificial colorants. It's all natural. Yes, so I really love it. So now we are closing our bottle, and I prefer like a pump because it's so convenient, but because you won't be dipping your hands in it, like inviting microbials. That is how it looks like. It looks so perfect. I love that color, that natural color. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can click on that red subscribe button and subscribe today. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Yes, so now I've just rinsed my pre-shampoo. You can check out that video which we did on how you can pre-shampoo your hair with a stimulating herbal hair growth oil. So I've just used some cold water, lukewarm water, to rinse. So now we are getting our shampoo, and make sure that you concentrate your shampoo on the scalp. Yes, because shampoo is actually for the scalp, and conditioner is for the hair strands. I tell you, I'm super excited because this shampoo was a success. Look at that. I'm so happy. So I'm going to include this shampoo in my hairline, Cassia Naturals hair and body line. Yes, so thank you so much, dear friends, for watching this video. Thank you so much to my subscribers and to my friends who like recommended this shampoo. Yes, I'm going to do all the recommendations of the videos. Don't worry, dear friends, if I haven't yet done the recommendation of your video, I'm going to do it. I'll definitely honor your request. Yes. So of course, like we did measure the pH of our shampoo, and it was falling under, it was 5 actually. So the recommended pH is 5 to 6. So it was 5. Yes. So of course, like I'm going to show you before we end our video, like we did measure out that. That is very important, you know, for the scalp, because it has to be balanced. So, dear friend, thank you so much. You know what? I'm so happy. You know, like I can't just hide this. So, are you going to try out this shampoo at home? You can purchase these ingredients from Amazon, you know, eBay, and other lines out there. You can check them out on the internet. Yes, so like we made 250 gram of our batch, and we still have more remaining. Thank you so much. Bye bye. God bless you. So like, yes, I promise, like we measured the pH and it was on 5. Yes, that's very important. You know, we use some pH strips. As you can see, I don't know if you are able to see that, like it is on 5. Yes. Yes, so thank you so much for watching this video. Yes, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can do so and click on that subscribe button and give me a like if you love this video. And if you want to be seeing more of such videos, then give me a like, comment in the section below. Yes, so see you in my next video. Like tomorrow I post videos every day, so make sure that you check out for videos every day. So after shampooing, I proceed to wash, and then I continue like to moisturize.